Welcome back to the CryptoLabs YouTube channel. Really quick message. This breaks my heart every single time when the markets are down, when the markets are red, when the markets aren't exciting. I see people not excited as well. And when the markets get excited, when they get juicy, when they start heating up, I see people getting excited, heating up and deploying capital. And I'm like, how backwards that is. Now you'll ask, Lucas, how do you see that? Well, we can look at on-chain data, but we can also look at YouTube statistics. I get a report every week on what is happening on YouTube, on our channel. And every time the markets are red, every time there's assets that are getting undervalued, oversold, YouTube just dies off. People just aren't Googling, people aren't YouTubing it, people aren't interested in crypto. That's when I double down. Let me know if you get what I'm saying, or let me know if you implement this as well. That is when I double down. That's when the winners double down. That's when the people actually winning this crypto game double down. During the bear market, the worst of it, I was looking under the couch. Where's any money I have I want to put into the markets? Nobody was interested, except very small percentage of people. You can look at on-chain data. I could also look at YouTube statistics. How many yield farming opportunities were present during the bear market? And those videos would get 50 views. And I'm like, what? But then when things are going crazy and things are overbought, everyone's getting into it. We've got to play the opposite game. We got to play the opposite game, or we're always going to be chasing the trend. And that, you might get lucky once or twice, but it's not a long-term strategy. You've got to stay consistent. You have to be just as excited about crypto and DeFi when yields are low, when volume is low, when the markets are down, when things are in the red, if not more excited, as you're excited when things are in the green, because that's when you're taking profit. That's when you're actually making the money. You're sowing the seeds when the markets are red, and you're reaping. You're taking the fruit and you're freaking enjoying it when the markets are green, when volumes are starting to pump, when people are getting hyper excited. We have an opportunity right now to be excited when others aren't. It's heating up. There's people playing the game. Our YouTube channel statistics went crazy when Bitcoin was over 70K. Everybody wanted to get into crypto. But when Bitcoin was 18K, nobody cared. I'm like, how do I shake the internet? How do I shake YouTube? How do I shake the world into realizing that that's a losing strategy? I see it all the time in business too. Some trend pops off and now everyone's excited about that trend. It's probably already too late. DeFi, yield farming, creating a DeFi business, that's different. But you cannot just be excited when things are going good. And then not be excited, not learn, and exit when things are bad, when things are red, when yields are down, when volumes are down, when prices are down. You got to stay consistent in your business every single day. It doesn't matter what the market is doing, you still get paid. People got this, they would make so much money. We just had someone who's almost at six-figure earner. And they were consistent no matter what the market was doing over the last 9 months. Yep, their portfolio's way down sometimes. Yep, it was way up. It didn't matter. They consistently built brick by brick. Now they're earning over 75K a year in DeFi income. That's most people's full-time job. They're earning it in income, in DeFi income. And they're thinking in the next 2 to 3 months, it's going to be a six-figure income. No matter what the markets are doing, they stay consistent with it. I want that for you. People are very predictable because they believe so little of themselves. They see themselves. If you knew what you're capable of, if you knew what you were capable of, other people are doing it. It means you can too. But our self-image sometimes is so fractured because of everything we've gone through and the things people have done and said to us and our experiences in life that it's just well, I just can't do it. They can, but I can't. Man, The world would change if people understood that they're made of the same stuff the stars are made of. A child of God, child of the universe, child of the stars. Yet the markets go a little red and we freak out. Portfolios drop a little, we freak out. We exit the game. We come back when things are good. That's when the opportunity actually presents itself. That's it. That's my time. I hope this helps just one person. Let me know in the comments if anything landed. With that said, I'm going to go crush a little workout. I'll leave 4 videos on the screen, here and here and here and here for your viewing pleasures. Dive in, study this channel for an hour or two. Study. Take it seriously, like your life depends on it. Those are the people that win. With that said, I'm out of here. Peace.